guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivicat and I like to do face transformation makeup tutorials. I have monolid, so most of my tutorials are suitable for monolid girls or if you have hooded eyes. And today's look is a pumpkin colored makeup that is suitable for fall and winter. And now is a before and after makeup comparison. The change is not very huge. You can still see that I am myself. First, I'm taking this foundation from a Swedish brand called Idun. My color is Saga. The color is slightly brighter than my own skin tone, but you can use anything, like any foundation you want. I'm just blending it out with a brush and then pushing it into my skin with a sponge, so it looks more like my skin. And then I'm taking this spot cover foundation from Shiseido and just putting it on the areas where I have acne scars. And then I'm setting my face with this Japanese powder called Elegance, but it's with a French name. After that, I'm using a eyebrow pencil from Cezanne. As you can see, I still don't have any eyebrows, so I really need to fill them in. I have been trying using eyelash serum and oils on my eyebrows to make them grow better, but so far my eyebrows are not any fuller than before. I'm still trying. But yeah, here are my brows. I look already so much better. And now I'm just using this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and prime my eyes and smudging it out with my fingers. For today's eye makeup, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from a brand called Oden. It's also an indie Swedish brand. I really like the combination of the warm tone colors, and also the shimmers are just amazing. First, I'm taking this color and putting it all over my eyelid as a base color. A trick for monolid eyes is that when you close your eyes, put eyeshadow on half of the area that is in between your brows and lash line. Usually that works for most monolid eyes. After the base color, I'm taking this bright orange shade and putting it on the outer corner of my upper eyelid and blending it in together with the color we just put on before, and also elongate the ends of the eyes so it looks longer. Yeah, bad explanation, but you understand me, I hope so. And then I'm taking a smaller brush and putting that orange shade all over my underlid as well, and that really make my eyes look bigger. And then I'm taking this pinkish orange shimmer shade and putting it in the middle of my eyes. This really gives my eye more dimension and it does not look as flat as before. And then I'm also taking this shade and bringing it into the inner corners to open up my eye a little bit. Even though it's a pinkish shade, but it also works as an inner corner highlighter. And then I'm taking the color that is just pure glitter and putting it in the inner corner and also under lash line. And before I'm going in with eyeliner, I curl my lashes before that. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna use this eyeliner 3-in-1 thing from, I don't know how to read this brand, but it's a really good product. When doing a very sharp winged liner, I like to outline the eyeliner before I go in and fill it in, so I know it's even before I'm filling in the black. Because I want the pumpkin color to be the main point of this makeup, so I'm just doing a outer corner half winged liner so it won't cover up the eyeshadow we just did before. And then I'm just filling in the black and open up the inner corner with the eyeliner so my eyes looks longer. After that, I'm taking the other side of the pencil, which has a brown colored pen, and lining my under lash line. And after that, it's time for lashes. Today I'm using those lashes from DUP. The number is 805. Those are one of my favorite lashes at all time. They are quite big lashes actually, but it suits my eyes perfectly. And then I'm going in with some tiny mascara and putting it on my under lashes. Who else makes this ridiculous funny face when they put on mascara? It can't be only me. So now when the eye makeup is done, let's move on to the face. I'm just contouring my nose slightly a little bit to make it a bit slimmer and not as round. And yeah, that's the nose contour, very casual. And now I'm using a very natural blush and just putting it on my cheeks, because I still want the main point of this makeup to be the eye and the lips. For the lips, today I'm using a lipstick from this brand called V&K, and the color is 105. It's a pumpkin colored lipstick. I think it suits perfectly to this eye look and also my sweater. This is just a traditional lipstick. After using a lot of drying liquid lipsticks, I'm kind of missing the traditional ones. Of course, it's not long lasting, it does smudge when you kiss it, but it's a pretty color and it's not drying. That's all I need for this very dry, already very dry Swedish autumn. And now is the final step of this makeup. I'm taking this Sugar Peel and Little Twin Stars limited edition collection and taking this gold shade and using it as a highlighter on my cheekbones, and voila, the makeup is complete. Now I look like a walking pumpkin. Oh, that rhymes. Wow, I'm a genius. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you wonder what I have used in this video, I will put everything in the description box down below. If you want to try out this look, feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or wherever you can find me. I would love to see it. Even though I like to do face transformation makeup tutorials, I don't think this makeup is very different. You can still see that I am myself. Under some videos there are comments like, "Oh my god, I'm so worried for your boyfriend, you're such a liar with makeup." Don't worry, my boyfriend have seen me without makeup and he's still alive. He didn't scare the life out of him or the shit out of him, so don't worry, be happy. So I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hej då! Puss puss!